channel is at chemistry. We are going to see the filling of electronic orbitals and the energy level order. Okay, first we are going to see one s orbital. We will fill one s orbital. S orbital contains 2 electrons. Next we are going to fill the 2s orbital. It also has 2 electrons, and the p orbital, it has 6 electrons. Next, we are again going to 3s, which has 2 electrons, and 3p, which has 6 electrons. And we are going to 4s next. 4s has 2 electrons, and again back to 3d. 3d has 10 electrons. Next, we are going to 4p, which has 6 electrons. Next, we are going to 5s, which has 2 electrons. Next, we are coming again back to 4d, which has 10 electrons. And we are going to 5p, which has 6 electrons. And again, we are jumping to 6s, which has 2. And we are coming back to 4f. F has 14 electrons. And we are again jumping to 5d, which has 10 electrons, and 6p, which has 6 electrons, and 7s, which has 2 electrons. Again, we are jumping from 7s to 5f, which has 14 electrons, and 6d, which has 10 electrons, and 7p, which has 6 electrons. This is the way of filling of electronic orbitals. Now, we are going to see the energy level order. I will write the same in an order so that it will be easy for you to remember. First, we are getting 1s orbital. We are filling 1s orbital, which has 2 electrons. Next, 2s orbital, 2p orbital, which has 6 electrons, 3s orbitals, 3p orbital. Next, 4s, 2 electrons, and 3d. From this, we are filling 10 electrons, and again we are going to 4p, which has 6 electrons, and we are going to 5s, which has 2 electrons, and we are coming to 4d, which has 10 electrons, and 5p, which has 6 electrons, and 6s, which has 2 electrons, and 4f, which has 14 electrons, 5d, then 10 and 6p6. Next, 7s, which has 2 electrons, and 5f has 14 electrons. 6d has 10 electrons, and 7p has 6 electrons. And this is the energy level order. The energy level will be goes on increasing.